Fats. Fats, also known as lipids, are a diverse group of organic compounds that are essential for life. They serve many vital functions in the body, including energy storage, insulation, protection of organs, and involvement in cellular structure and function. Fats are composed mainly of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, and they are generally hydrophobic, that is, water insoluble, which means they do not dissolve in water. Point 1. Basic structure of fats. The term fat typically refers to triglycerides, but fats encompass a wide range of lipid molecules, including phospholipids, sterols, and fatty acids. A. Fatty acids. Fatty acids are long chains of carbon atoms, hydrocarbon chains, with a carboxyl group COOH at one end. These molecules are the building blocks of the most fats and lipids. There are two major types of fatty acids. Saturated fatty acids. These have no double bonds between the carbon atoms. Every carbon atom in the chain is saturated with hydrogen atoms. Saturated fats are typically solid at room temperature and are commonly found in animal products, example butter, lard, and some plant oils, example coconut oil, palm oil. Unsaturated fatty acids. These have one or more double bonds between the carbon atoms, which creates kinks in the chain. These fats are usually liquid at room temperature and are found in plant oils. Example olive oil, canola oil, and fatty fish. Example salmon. Unsaturated fats can be further divided into monosaturated fats that contains one double bond. Example oleic acid in olive oil. Polyunsaturated fats contains more than one double bond. Example omega-3 fatty acids in fish oil, omega-6 fatty acids in vegetable oils. B. Triglycerides. Triglycerides are the most common type of fat in the body and in food. They consist of three fatty acid molecules bonded to single molecule of glycerol, a three-carbon compound. Triglycerides are stored in adipose tissues, fat cells, and serve as the primary form of energy storage in the body. C. Phospholipids. Phospholipids are similar to triglycerides but have one fatty acid replaced by a phosphate group. Phospholipids are major components of cell membranes, providing structure and regulating the movement of substances in and out of cells. They have hydrophilic water attracting head and hydrophobic water repelling tails, which gives them unique properties in the formation of bilayers in membranes. D. Sterols. Sterols are a subgroup of lipids that include molecules like cholesterol. Cholesterol is a crucial component of cell membranes and is involved in the synthesis of hormones. Example, estrogen, testosterone, vitamin D, and bile acids for digestion. Point 2. Functions of fats in the body. Fats play several critical roles in maintaining overall health. A. Energy storage. Fats are the body's most efficient form of energy storage. 1 gram of fat provides approximately 9 kilocalories of energy compared to 4 kilocalories per gram of carbohydrates or protein. The body stores excess energy from food as fat in adipose tissue, which can later be mobilized when energy needs exceed food intake. B. Insulation and protection. Fats help insulate the body, maintaining temperature regulation. The layer of fat beneath the skin, subcutaneous fat, provides thermal insulation. Additionally, fat surrounds the cushion's vital organs, example kidneys, hearts, offering protection against mechanical shock. C. Cell membrane structure. Phospholipids, which contain fatty acids, are a major structural component of cell membrane. The bilayer of phospholipids form a semi-permeable membrane that allows cells to maintain their integrity and control the movement of substances into and out of the cell. D. Hormone production. Fats, especially cholesterol, are essential for the production of various hormones, including steroid hormones such as estrogen, testosterone, cortisol, and aldosterone. These hormones play a key role in metabolism, immune response, and stress adaptation. E. Absorption of fat soluble vitamins. Certain vitamins, known as fat soluble vitamins, require fat for absorption. These vitamins include vitamin A, important for vision, immune function, and skin health. Vitamin D, crucial for calcium absorption and bone health. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant and protects cells from oxidative damage. Vitamin K, important for blood clotting and bone health. Yes, brain function. The brain is composed of approximately 60% fat, and certain fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acid, example DHA, are crucial for cognitive function, brain development, and protection against neurodegenerative diseases. Point 3. Types of dietary fats. Dietary fats can be categorized into different types based on their chemical structure and origin. A. Saturated fat sources. Animal products, meat, dairy, and some plant oil, coconut oil, palm oil. Characteristics. Solid at room temperature, they tend to raise LDL, that is low density lipoprotein, cholesterol level in the blood, which is associated with increased risk of cardiovascular disease when consumed in excess. Recommendation. Health authorities recommend limiting saturated fat intake, particularly from processed food, while focusing on healthier fats from plant-based sources. B. Unsaturated fats sources. Plant oils, olive oil, canola oil, nuts, seeds, avocados, and fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines. Characteristics. Liquid at room temperature, these fats are considered heart healthy because they can help lower LDL cholesterol levels and provide essentially fatty acid that the body cannot produce on its own. Health benefits. Unsaturated fats, particularly monosaturated fats and omega-3 polyunsaturated fats, have been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and inflammation. C. Trans fats sources. Industrially produced trans fats are found in many processed foods, including baked goods, snacks, and fried foods. Trans fats are created through a process called hydrogenation, which solidifies liquid oils. Characteristics. Trans fats raised LDL cholesterol and lower HDL, high density lipoprotein cholesterol, increasing the risk of heart disease. Recommendation. Health expert advise minimizing or avoiding trans fat intake. Many countries have implemented regulations to reduce trans fat level in food. D. Essential fatty acids. These are fatty acids that the body cannot synthesize and must be obtained from the diet. The two main types are omega-3 fatty acids. Example, alpha linolenic acid, that is ALA, and eicosapentaenoic acid EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid DHA, found in fatty fish, flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and certain oils. Omega-6 fatty acids. Example, linoleic acid, found in vegetable oils. Example, sunflower oil, corn oil, nuts, and seeds. Omega-3 fatty acids are particularly beneficial for heart health, reducing inflammation and supporting brain function. Point 4. Fat metabolism. When the body requires energy stored, fat is broken down through a process called lipolysis. The fatty acid released from triglycerides are transported to tissue where they are oxidized to produce energy. This process primarily occurs in the mitochondria, the energy producing organelles within cells. Ketosis. When carbohydrate intake is low, the liver converts fatty acid into ketone bodies, which can be used as an alternative energy source for the brain and body. This metabolic state is known as ketosis and is the basis for low carbohydrate, high fat diets like ketogenic diet. Point 5. Health implications of fats. Excessive fat consumption, particularly from unhealthy sources like trans fats and excessive saturated fats, can contribute to the development of obesity, cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and other chronic health conditions. Moderation is key. A balanced diet that includes healthy fats, monosaturated and polyunsaturated fats, while limiting unhealthy fats, saturated and trans fats is crucial for optimal health. Fat related disorder. Obesity. Excess fat accumulation often due to a calorie imbalance. More calories consumed than expended can lead to obesity, which is a major risk factor for cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and other metabolic disorders. Atherosclerosis. This is a condition where the buildup of fatty deposits, plaque, in the arteries can lead to narrowing and hardening of the arteries, increasing the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and peripheral artery disease. Conclusion. Fats are essential nutrients that play vital roles in the body, including energy storage, cellular function, hormone production, and nutrient absorption. While fats have a bad reputation due to their association with heart disease and obesity, it's important to distinguish between different types of fats. Healthy fats, especially unsaturated fats and omega-3 fatty acids, are beneficial for overall health, while excessive consumption of unhealthy fats, saturated and trans fats, should be avoided. A balanced intake of fats is crucial for maintaining good health.